Alright, in the previous video, we've solved question number 1 to question number 30. If you've not watched that video, you can check it on the channel. In this video, we'll be looking at question number 31 to question number 35. Let's get started. Question number 31 is very similar to question number 30. You can check it on the channel, the way we solve it. So it's very simple and straightforward. Here, we are to find angle X in the diagram. This is the angle X that we are asked to find. We did similar things on question number 30. So from what we've done so far, I hope you will agree with me that this angle here is 87 degrees. You can check question number 30 for the explanation. Or the simplest way we can do it is that if you try to find this angle and this angle, they are supplementary. Their sum is equal to 180 degrees. And when you subtract this one from 180 degrees, you are going to get 93 degrees. When you subtract 93 degrees from 180, in order to get this one angle on the straight line, you are going to get 87 degrees, which is equal to this one. So there's a theorem that says that this angle is equal to this angle. You can let me know the theorem in the comment section. So let's continue. Now that we know that this is 87 degrees, and this is given to be equal to 38 degrees, and we need to find this x. So you just have to consider triangle G. Consider triangle GKL. When you consider triangle GKL, you see that angle G is 87 degrees plus what is K, that is 38 degrees, and what is L, that is X that we are looking for. So their sum will be equal to 180 degrees, the sum of the angle in the triangle. And then X is equal to 180 minus the sum of 87 plus 38. And when you press your calculator, so when you add 87 plus 38, that is going to give you 125 degrees. And when you subtract, you're going to get 55 degrees. That's the final answer. So for question number 31, the final answer is 55 degrees, which is option B. So let's continue with question number 32. Now to question number 32. Remember that the formula for calculating the volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h, and while that of a cone is 1/3 pi r square h. Since their volume is equal, we can equate these two formulas so that we have pi r square h, this is height of cylinder, is equal to 1/3 pi r square h, this is height of cone. And then we can say this one cancel this, so that we now have r square, height of cylinder, is equal to 1/3 r square, height of cone. From the question, you are given that the base radius of a cone is twice that of the cylinder. So let radius of cylinder is equal to x. So radius of cone is going to be 2x. When you put this in this equation, we are going to have, instead of r square, we are going to have s square, height of cylinder, is equal to 1/3, and then this 2x square, height of cone. Now this is simple. Now we now have h square, height of cylinder, is equal to 1/3. This is going to give us 4s square multiplied by height of cone. And then remember that we want to find the height of the cylinder to that of cone, the ratio. So divide both sides by height of cone, so that here now we have height of cone cancel height of cone, and then we are going to have here s square can cancel s square here, such that we are now going to have height of cylinder to height of cone is equal to 4/3, as we have it here. So the height of cylinder to height of cone is going to give us 4/3. That is your final answer. Question number 32. The final answer is option B is the answer for question number 32. Let's move to the next question. On to question number 33. Question number 33, you have to find the height in the diagram. This is very simple and straightforward. When you look at the diagram, you can complete it like this. When you draw this line, so that this one makes a rectangle, and then from here now you can see 19 centimeter, 19 meter. This line, this side is 19 meter because it is parallel to this line, while this one is parallel to this line. So from here now, if you are able to calculate from here to here, so we just add it to this height, which is 17 meter, because this line and this line, they are parallel. So this is a right angle triangle. We can draw it out. We can draw this right angle triangle out. This is 20 meter, and this is 90 meter, and this is what we want to calculate. From Pythagoras theorem, h square is going to be 20 square minus 19 square, and this is going to give us a 400 minus 361, and when you subtract, you are going to get square root of 39, which is equal to 6.25. This 6.25 is not the final answer. Remember that we just get this to be equal to 6.25. So the final answer for the h is going to be 17 meter plus 6.25 meter. And when you add it together, you are going to get 23.25 meter, which is equal to 23 meter approximately. So that's the final answer for question number 33. Question number 30, the final answer is option C, which is 23 meter. So let's move on to question number 34. On to question number 34. Question number 34 is very straightforward. This one gradient. Remember that the gradient is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And here now, you see that this is our x1, y1, x2, y2, and you are given the gradient to be equal to minus 4. Just substitute. We are going to have minus 4 is equal to our, let's write it out so that we have line P is 2 minus 8, and Q is 1, comma y. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. So now our y2 is y minus what is y1, that is minus 8, divided by what is x2, that is 1, minus what is x1, that is 2. So this is minus 4 is equal to y plus 8, because minus times minus will give us plus, divided by 1 minus 2 will give us minus 1. When you cross multiply, you are going to have y plus 8 is equal to minus 4 times minus 1. That's, and we are going to have y is equal to plus 4 minus 8. This is going to give us minus 4. So the value of y is equal to minus 4. That is the final answer. And for question number 34, the final answer is minus 4, which is option C. Let's continue with question number 35. Now on to question number 35. Question number 35, you are given this diagram, and you have to find WTX, angle WTX, WTX. You have to find this angle. This is very simple and straightforward. When you look at the diagram very well, you see that this line PQ is parallel to line RS. From there, we can see this angle is 50 degree. That is alternate angles. They are equal. And 50 plus 44, subtracted from 180, you can get this angle. That is, we can say 180 minus 50 plus 44 degree, and 54 plus 4 degree is going to give us, that is 94. So 94 minus 180 degree, that is going to give us 86 degree, which is this angle. And remember, this angle and this angle, they are equal, vertically opposite angle. So this angle is 86 degree, which means that the angle WTX that we have to look for is equal to 86 degree. That's the final answer. Remember that if you are doing this in a theory, you have to put the reasons there, but because this is subjective, that is why we are not putting the reasons, because we don't have to waste time on this. So the final answer for question number 35 is 86 degree, which is option C. All right, with this, we come to the end of this video. In the next video, we'll be looking at question number 36 to question number 40. Thank you.